What's going on, everyone? Gilman with Wellthy Stocks, back with another NIO update video where we take a look at how NIO stock traded today, some key support and resistance levels that we are looking at moving into the future, and based on that, what we think NIO stock can do. So real quick, if you enjoy videos like this, hit that like button down below, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and comment down below what your thoughts on NIO are, and I'd love to chat with you guys down there. So let me hit record and we will get right into it. What a monster day for NIO today. We were up $3.78 on the day, which was 7.5%, up another 90 cents after hours, which is 1.5%, which puts us at almost actually perfectly exactly at 9%, 749 and 151 at 9% for the day. Great day for NIO. So let's take a look at how it traded today, right? If we take a look at yesterday, we were hitting up against this 54 levels, kind of where we closed today, but we couldn't really we didn't get a chance to kind of hit this 55s like we did yesterday because of the sell-off we saw related to both what was going down in Capitol Hill yesterday with the protests and the news that Chinese stocks could still be delisted with ties to the government and issues with secrecy and stuff. That was on yesterday's video, so I'm not going to recover that. But anyway, that caused a sell-off all the way down to this 49 level that we had. In pre-market, we pushed up above our 51.97 level. Right out of the gate, we pushed up to 54, came right back down. I thought it was going to visit this level. We turned around before that, and then it looked pretty stable for the rest of the day, which is what I really liked seeing. Above the VWAP, going up, but not going too far up too fast, because that could lead to, big moves either way. Hit this 54.61, which if you take a look, our level is at 54.66, perfectly pretty much, bounced down to VWAP and then closed in the middle. In the after hours though, what we see is it finally broke above this 54.66 again, made a high of 55.25 and is currently trading in the low 55. So let's take a look at what we have coming up in terms of support and resistance levels, and we'll kind of see what we have coming up in store for us. So first and foremost, we are above this 54.66 level as of right now, which means if we open above this tomorrow, right, we open between this 54.66 and the 56.89 level, then we could see a little bit of a push down to this support level where we can bounce up. But if we see more of a pullback, then I could see us, kind of falling in this range again. Now, NIO stock has gone up from 42s all the way to 55s in a matter of, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. But we also have NIO Day coming up in 2 days. NIO Day is where they're expected to announce their sedan, a new 150 kilowatt hour battery, updates to their autonomous driving system. So a lot of cool things coming, I think, is going to drive a lot of hype into the stock. So I think a pullback, we could keep pushing tomorrow and a pullback can come next week, kind of the sell the news part of it. But so let's take a look at, what we have coming up from a price level perspective. So if we push up and we break this level and we keep pushing up, this 56.89 is the next level that I want to see us kind of break. And then that puts us really close to the all-time high at 57.20. So 56.89 is the level I'm watching, and then 57.20, and then it's anyone's guess on where NIO stock goes next, right? On the downside, I'm assuming we open above this, right? I'm watching the 54.66 level, but that's a very, very small pullback. It might not even be like 50 cents worth. So then the next level I'm watching is the low of today, which is 52.35. And then I'm watching this 51.97 level before we get to the AEMA at 50.71, right? So the levels I'm watching on the downside are the lows for today, which is 52.35, then 51.97, which is another level that we're watching, and then the AEMA, which is at 50.71. What I really like seeing in the past couple of days is we are staying above the AEMA, closing above the AEMA. So I would like to see that continue. So if we do see a little bit of a pullback, hoping for a bounce off of this AEMA, if we were to fall all the way to that. And if we keep going for some reason, then 49.05 would be next stop, kind of like we saw yesterday. And we've had this line for a while now. So that's what I'm watching out for. Again, I think a pullback might be coming because of how much it's gone up. But at the same time, we have NIO Day. So a lot of it depends on if NIO Day is more of a sell the news type of day, or if it brings more excitement into the stock. I personally own NIO shares and I am bullish on them. Until I get a reason not to be, like if the the Chinese delisting becomes more of a reality, then, I could consider selling. But I think for now, I really like the potential that NIO has moving into the future, their sales growth, their cars, their technology. So I'm really excited to see what NIO Day brings. And that's kind of the reason why tomorrow we could see a little bit of a push up as well before NIO Day. And then we might see a sell the news or we could see a sell the news type of event. Since it is on a Saturday, it's not a trading day. That's sort of what confuses me, because typically we'll see the effect in the after hours, but we won't really see the effect of this until Monday's trading session. So I'm really interested to see if we see another green day tomorrow and we make a push towards that all-time high, maybe even knocking out the all-time high, or if we go down to revisit some of these support levels, consolidate, and then start to push back up. So let me know what you guys think of NIO down in the comment section, and I'd love to chat with you guys down there. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Let's remember to be a bit better every single day, and until next time.